Yo, what's up? What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Sorry about that. Before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. But yes, welcome to the live stream as well. All right, so let's tell the team members that we're on live now, and I want to go over today. We had a pretty decent day. Also, let's tell the team members we're on live. So 1 second here. So TikTok live now at everyone. All right, so yeah, we're on live now. Honestly, yeah, pretty decent day. Played out pretty nicely. I do want to see a couple more trades here. For today, had a nice trade on what? QQQ and also QBT as well. And then Rugged came up with that Google Play. So shout out to Rug Reality for that too. All right, so I do want to go over the Qs first. So we're going to start off pretty much how we always start off. We'll go over Tesla too as well. All right, so as of right now, yo, Sky Guy, thanks for liking the live stream. Appreciate it. All right, so we're on live. I think I have the other chat pulled up. Let's see if we can pull that up too as well. So yeah, we're pretty much just getting started here. 1 second. All right, yeah, we're on live now. All right, appreciate you all for tuning back in. Yo, Kayla, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. I bought so many cheap out the money contracts today. For which one? Let me know. Google calls, do you recommend? Okay, so Google. So shout out to Rug Reality for that nice little win there. What I'm seeing here, so let's take a look. So, and yeah, we'll go over Tesla first, and then we'll do Google, all these other places as well. So yeah, no worries at all. All right, so as of right now, what I'm seeing here on Tesla, so yeah, we did have this empty space here first that we did end up tapping into. Also, what I'm seeing next is this. So yeah, we pretty much get rid of everything. And honestly, I'm going to wait for this trade. I get it, yes. We did tap this empty space there. But what looks good to me is we do have empty space. So yes, we have this clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. This is what I want to the downside. And of course, we do have what? A decent top wall here. A decent bottom wall there. So what I'm looking at now is, yes, so we have, I mean, obviously, yes, you could pretty much make the box right here if you want to as well. That'll be another box there too. But anyways, we do have what? Nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. And this bottom wall, this is where price is having a hard time getting under. So what I'm looking at, what I'm looking forward to is if we can break under this bottom wall, we do have empty space down to this, what? Red candle there. So yeah, it looks actually pretty decent. And you know, I've been waiting on this trade all morning. I thought we were going to get it, but we didn't end up getting, you know, at least this one right here. And yes, as you can see, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, sorry, we have imbalance. So yeah, right now, am I going to do anything? Actually, did not mean to do that. No, I'm not going to do anything. Just going to wait. Yes, of course. This was also not, so I didn't take this play though. So yeah, there was another box. We did have what? Empty space here. Nice little play there. And yeah, as you can see, it looks like that imbalance did end up hitting too. So, oh yeah, we hit that perfectly. So, or almost perfectly. So yeah, as you can see, that imbalance did end up doing pretty well there. But I'm worried about the bigger move if we can end up getting it. So yes, that's in another box here. But yeah, other than that, empty space, that's exactly what I want to this downside. So just like we had today, let's take a look here. QQ. So QQ, it was great. It was great. It was nice. So you can see the before, the after. Also, we had QBT as well. So that ended up being nice too as well. The only trade that didn't work was TTD. So it looked good this morning, but it just didn't want to push there. So I'm going to find that re-entry on that if we can get it. Alright, so QQQ, we did Tesla, or we didn't do Qs yet. So, personally, we caught this to the downside. Let's see this. Fubo. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. Let me write all this down. 1 second here, guys and gals. AAL. So honestly, AAL looks really good too. So haven't looked at it all day actually. HOD. Yo, Kayla, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Can you tell me if NVIDIA is? So yeah, I can look at that too as well. Yo, Megan, what's up? Good to see you. And yes, you all have to do your own research. So no, not telling anyone to get into anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. Personally, for Tesla, for me, I just like to day trade it. Sometimes swing trade it. If we, have an entry. I'm not saying it's bad long term, but personally, yeah, I just like to, get the moves when we can get those. So as you can see, hold on 1 second here. For the Qs, let's take a look. I did see that 30-minute. That 30-minute box actually didn't look too terrible. I do see what? Top wall there, bottom wall here. And right above us, we do have this empty space. So what I'm seeing is, yes, 3 body candles closing directly at the same exact wall here. We break above the stop wall. We have empty space up to here. If we can get it. So yes, right now, where are we? We are inside this box. So there's just no entry for me. Nothing for me to do. But you can easily see if we can somehow, some way break above, we do have an empty space there. But yeah, let me look at Tesla. I mean, do we have upside? Obviously, we do have a little bit of upside too as well. So yeah, I'll go over Tesla once again. 1 second here. So, and yeah, we'll go over other trades too as well. So no worries. So as you can see here, yes, what is this? Yo, Alex, what's up? UNH, yeah, no worries. We can go over that too. So what, UNH? Let me write that down. NVIDIA hits. So yeah, okay, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. I haven't looked at it quite yet right now. So we'll see. Yes, top wall, bottom wall here. Honestly, I was waiting for this upside too. You can easily see, yes, what is this? Clear move down, no consolidation. We break above our top wall here. I don't see any resistance until up to here. I get it, yes, only $2 move. Nothing crazy, but still, nice, decent little play if we can possibly get that. And yes, I understand, yes, we're on a little time frame, smaller time frame. So yeah, I do want to see if, honestly, tomorrow, I don't really want to take another day trade. We did pretty decent today. Can't complain, but yeah, and you can see what we did today. QQQ, that ended up going pretty wild, and QBT as well. And also, shout out to Rugliali for the Google chart too as well. So you can see a couple members did on the Google. Shout out to Wyatt. And yeah, there was only one play that didn't work out, which was what, TTD. So yeah, you can see when the plays work, how they work. But yeah, if I have to get tapped out, I can always find that reentry, and that's pretty much it. So that is on Tesla. That's what I see there. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join it. You can join the free version on the VIP. Honestly, just join the free chat, see how you like it. Just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on to. All right, so Google, hold on. NVDA. HOOD. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. Yo, Sunray, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. I didn't know you had 2 accounts. Good to see you on that one as well. All right, so what I'm seeing here, let's see. Let's go to this. So I will be completely honest. I charted this morning. I think I did it on a 30-minute though. Let's see. Because I do remember charting this morning. Okay, it looks like we did end up breaking under the wall. We did tap into that imbalance, so I did end up missing this move. So kind of hurt it. No, I'm kidding. Not too hurt, but you can see, yes, we did have what, the empty space. It went right at market open. And yeah, as you can see, that we did have a nice little box here. We ended up breaking below. We tapped perfectly. Personally, I really wouldn't want to do anything here. And yes, I know I'm on a 1 hour. I do want to find some 24-hour setups too as well. So after we go over these, day trades, I do want to look at some swings too as well. But yeah, as of right now, what is this? So yes, we look for the same play each and every day. Clear move up, no consolidation. And yes, what do we have here? Top wall there. Also, we do have a bottom wall here. So yes, we do have a Potter box that needs to be broken underneath this bottom wall if we can somehow get under this. I get it, yes. Can we continue to the upside? Absolutely. But, and yes, especially on the higher time frame. But if we can break under this wall here, we don't have any resistance until this red candle. So it doesn't look too bad there if we can end up getting that. So yeah, I get it. What, $3 move down? Not too bad though. So that's more of a day trade. But no, not telling anyone to do anything. So please do your own research before doing anything, of course. So that's on what, the 1 hour. On a 24-hour note, even on a what, weekly? Let's see here. I mean, this is also going to be some nice empty space once we can build some structure. So I don't see, a move to the downside this far as of yet. Do want to see if we can build some structure next couple of weeks, and yeah, we do have that downside there as well. So yeah, actually doesn't look too terrible. Do want to see how that would end up playing out. Not bad. All right, so Tesla. Okay, NVDA HOD. Let's take a look here. All right, so one second. My bad, guys. So wait, HOD. Okay, so I looks like, and no, I didn't end up taking this one, but I will be honest. Looks like what I had here. Yeah, that would have been a really nice play. But yeah, we had what? Clear move up, no consolidation. So yes, the first thing that I'm seeing, or that I saw here, yes, we did have this decent move up. We had a nice Potter box that needed to be broken. Nice bottom wall. So yeah, there is a bottom wall that we had to break. We broke under it. We tapped perfectly into my first TP. Literally perfectly. Yeah, that's pretty wild, honestly. That's where price can end up rejecting, and as you can see, price ended up rejecting here. Personally, since that move already happened, I really don't want to chase into that move there. What doesn't look bad to me, so hold on, give me a second here. Yeah, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream as well. Honestly, I know this chart is going to look so weird. Hold on, give me a second here. Hold on, actually, let me look at this on a 1 hour. Actually, okay, I got it. Yes, so we do have that empty space below us. I get it. That looks good. Also, we could continue to drop here. So I do see the upside too. So we'll go over this upside really quickly. So if we do somehow, some way, go to the upside, looks like there is another box here. So there is another box there. We do have nice break above here. Any inside information? No, not that I know of. Only inside of my brain. So all these charts that I'm showing, it's just my own analysis. And no, not saying anyone to get into any of these trades. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, either the plays work or they don't. I only focus on the play. The play, the box. It tells me if I should get in, if I should get out. If the trade works, do I stay in? Or if the trade doesn't work, do I get out? And that's pretty much it. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. Not telling anybody to get into anything. So yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. But no, everything that I'm showing you is just my own analysis, and you all have to do your own research, of course. All right, so now let's keep going here. So that was on HOD. Obviously, beautiful move. We ended up breaking below, touching that, first TP there. All right, so now let's take a look here. Let's keep going. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, come on. Let's see here. Yo, Just, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. All right, so hold on one second here. Let's pull all these other trades really quickly. So, you guys want to see UNH? I think you guys want to see what? Enterprise. Okay, and also DKNG. I think they have what? All right, cool. And also what? AMD. Cool, gotcha, my guy. No worries. So yeah, we'll pull that up too. All right, so UNH. Let's take a look here. Wait, what? Let's see. Oh man. So, dang, I will be honest. I did end up missing this one, but you know it's cool. It's fine. We had a couple other trades that did really well for us, but you can see UNH. I think I did this on a weekly chart, if I'm not mistaken, either. So, yeah, I did this on the weekly. So we did have what the empty space here. We did end up, or hold on. Oh, okay. Wait 1 second here. Wait 1 second. Okay. So, where are we at? So, honestly, we did end up touching that first TP. So, and you can see, I literally just pulled this chart up. We ended up breaking outside this wall here. We went and touched that, first TP. As you can see, if we can continue, and no, I'm not telling anyone to get into this or anything like that, so please do your own research. But if we can continue, we do have that, empty space below us down to that 244. So that's just what I'm seeing. Obviously, yeah, that first TP did end up hitting there. But no, I wasn't into this trade, though. Yeah, actually, that's actually pretty wild, though. So yeah, it tapped perfectly, and this is where we pretty much reject it. So this is where price could typically reject. So this is why, let's just say if I was into a trade or whatever, and that first TP did end up hitting, that's where I trim most of my position there. All right, so now let's keep going here. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades, so please do your own research, of course. All right, so EPD, let's take a look here. 24-hour. Okay. Actually, okay. I do see that to the upside. You know, it doesn't look too terrible though. Yo, Tina, what's up? Sorry, I missed your recommendation on Google. So yeah, we're not going over Google ever again. No, I'm kidding. I got you. No worries. Yeah, we'll go over Google. I think we have it pulled up, or we don't. Hold on. Yeah, we'll pull that up. 1 second. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. AMD. Okay, yeah, we got that. So that'll be that as well. All right, so right now in PCG. Okay, I'm gonna pull up these trades here. 1 second. All right, cool, perfect. Honestly, yes. What am I seeing here? We do have, yes, clear move down, no consolidation there. And first, I don't like that weekly chart. I do want to see if that 24-hour we can establish a better wall, maybe even a 4-hour. 1 second here. You know, actually, it doesn't look too bad. I do like this 24-hour. So, yes, what am I seeing here? Empty space. Personally, I just wish it had, more points of contact for that top wall there. But if we can still somehow, some way, and yes, this is the end of the day. So yes, end of the day, we break above. We do have empty space up to this 33.90 area. So yeah, it doesn't actually look too bad. From entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yes, what is this? The empty space. And we are, we're still in, consolidation, so I personally not going to get into anything at all. At least for this trade here. Greetings, what do you think about let's see here. All right, all right. Yo, Bossman, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Do you like candle close touches or wick touches or both? Personally, both. So, you know, there will be some setups like where we'll have both. And as you can see, like this QQQ setup here. So, hold on, this QQQ trade that we had, and this was just today. And yeah, it worked out beautiful. You can see we had what? 2 body candles and 1 wick here, and also another wick there. So that's 4 points of contact. And yes, the more points of contact, the better. Sometimes, you know, and yeah, you can see the cues. It was great. You can see what one member did there today on the cues. Yeah, it worked out great. And also, shout out to the other members too. But there'll be some trades like, hold on, I'm trying to find an example here, that it'll just be the body candles. Personally, if I had to choose, I do like body candles more, but those wicks matters just as much too as well. So you can see those were 2 body candles there. I want to show you just wicks. Hold on, give me a second here. I know I had a couple charts with like just wicks as my top wall. Hold on, give me a second. I'm trying to find. If I can't find it, I know an example will pop up soon. So, or we'll just skip it until I find one. Obviously, yeah, this is, you know, another wick. So yeah, it's what? Body candle, and then I had a wick closing direct the same wall. So that's why I chose that. So yeah, more points of contact, the better. I want to see a great example. Oh, okay. Actually, this one perfect. This is perfect. So, yeah, well, we had MU. MU was a great trade here, and you can see, yes, this bottom wall, the top wall, we had what, 2 body candles there. Cool, great. You can see, yes, we had body candle, and I did go off of those 2 wicks too as well. So those 2 wicks definitely played a part. And you can see when we pretty much broke outside of that level. Obviously, yes, it took some time, but yeah, you can see that final TP did it, or that first TP did end up hitting there. But yeah, that was a crazy move too, and I think that first day we were going, you know, you can see what one member did there, but yeah, it was even better than that. So you can see what that did. So yeah, I do love my swing trades a lot more. They offer me, you know, better reward for sure. But, you know, as long as I have my boxes right. So it really just depends on the setup too as well. All right, so AMD. All right, so hold on, let's see. Did we establish the top wall here and the bottom wall? So yeah, same thing. And yes, not telling anyone to get into anything, so please do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so one second. So AMD, okay, my bad, guys. I'm reading all the chats here. Yo, Nisha, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Oh, 1 second here. One second here. All right. All right, so AMD, you know, personally, what I have here is this. And what I can see here is, yes, we do have this clear move up, no consolidation. So all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. This is what I want to the downside. Yes, of course, we do have a nice Potter box, a nice bottom wall that needs to be broken. And if we can do that, we do have that move to the downside there. That's what I'm waiting for. Not a bad little move there. I can also see this. So as of right now, what is this? We do have it's clear move up, no consolidation here. And what I can see is we have a nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. And Hold on 1 second here, guys. 1 second, guys. Sorry. I know you guys see that. I think that's like a bot or something. All right, my bad, guys. I think that was like some random bot or something. I don't know. But anyways, what I'm seeing here is, yes, we have the empty space here. So yes, we have this clear move up. This is what I would want to this downside. Of course, yes, we do have what? Body candle there. We break under this wall here. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this what? Red candle there. So that actually doesn't look too bad. From what I can see, from entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So it actually looks really good. So yeah, right now we're in the box. There's nothing that I'm going to do. Just going to wait on this, just like I wait for all of my trades. So you can see what? QQQ, we had to wait not too long, but we had the empty space, or this nice gap, whatever you want to call it, that we wanted to the downside. Simple, we ended up breaking below. We targeted to this downside there. So you can see also QBT, that full move didn't end up happening yet. But yeah, we did really well on that. So you can see what one member did on the Qs. So that was great. So yeah, Quantum did run pretty well. So shout out to Wide as well. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. You can see also another member catching the Qs with us. Shout out to Golden Child. So yeah, overall, yeah, it was a great day. Only one of them didn't end up going. All right, so, and yeah, if we have to stop out of a trade, that's perfectly fine, because I know once we do end up, you can see the Qs. Once we do end up getting that position to getting that trade, we know what we're looking for. See QBT, what we did there. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. Hold on, give me a second here. All right, QQ looking pretty nice there. If we can get that. EBD, Starbucks. Yeah, no worries, got you. No worries at all. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. You can look at the testimonials. You can talk to members, see what we do here. But yeah, either trades work or they don't. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so what? PCG, we got to go over that. Starbucks. All right, so yeah, we'll do PCG first, and then we'll do Starbucks. Yeah, we'll look at the 24-hour setup. Still want to see. Ooh, that looks good. Not too bad, actually. All right, so, you know, I will be completely honest here. This move, it actually looks pretty decent. From what I can see, though. So, yes, what do we have here? What am I saying? What looks decent? This empty space. But there is no... I don't really like the structure here yet. I do want to see if we can build a little bit more structure on that. From what I can see, if I were to take this on a 24-hour, I'm seeing this. So yeah, we do have what, a nice top wall there, decent bottom wall here, and what I'm seeing is if we can break above our top wall, we do have empty space up to this what? Green candle here. So it looks really good actually. It doesn't look too bad. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So currently, where are we? We are pretty much, oh, I did not mean to do that. So we're pretty much underneath this cost space area. Yes, could we target into this empty space here too? Absolutely. But I do like that, you know, bigger move to the upside. That doesn't look too bad. Yo, Fizzle, thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. Alright, so as of right now, let's take a look. What system is this that you're using? So I'm using the Potter box right now. So yeah, shout out to Potter Stocks as well. Make sure to give them a follow too as well. But yeah, this is how I go over all of my analysis. You can see what we did here. Had a couple of nice day trades. You can see what we did on the Qs today. So yeah, we use the Potter box right now. And yeah, we call it QBT as well. The only trade that didn't work was TTD, but you can see Well, one member did there, a couple other members. So you can see, yeah, it worked out pretty well today. You see, quick play, QQQ. So yeah, it was a decent, really decent day. So yeah, it wasn't bad. And I know I'm not speaking English right now, so hold on one second here. Yo, Doc, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. And Corwin, what? CRWV? Yeah, no worries. Alright, so DraftKings, Starbucks. Alright. We did PCG. That actually looks really good. Alright, so what? CRWV. Okay, so DraftKings. Let's take a look here. What are your day trading stocks you look at every morning? So personally, and you can look at my gains page. Hold on one second here. But yeah, personally, you can see it in my gains page. The main stocks that I trade. I personally like to stick to my main setups that I normally trade, which is what? QQQ, which is Tesla, which is sometimes Google. Those are the ones I like. SPY too as well, here and there. But yeah, if those don't have any setups, then yes, I have other setups too as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And personally, you know, yes, I mean the swing trades are going to be a lot different though. They're going to be, you know, more of a variety for sure. I have, you know, a lot of on my watch list if I swing trade, like what SMCI, that was just yesterday. But yeah, if I'm going to day trade something, I have to stick to my clear setups. And yeah, you can pretty much scroll through and see those day trading setups too as well. But yeah, I do like the swing trade. Swing trade offers me a lot more for sure. You can see what a few of the members did on that MU trade, swing trading. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. There was only one trade that I had that didn't work, which was TTD. But we call it what, the Qs. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, you can ask my members. I post like a few setups for the day trades, and we wait for them. You can see why we wait. You can see, I didn't even post it like how I even sent it, but hold on one second here. You can see, yes, right here. This is when I called it out. This is how I called it out here. And yeah, that trade ended up doing pretty nicely. Apple, okay, yeah, no worries. PayPal, honestly, PayPal, we'll go over that too. We'll go over that. All right, so DKNG, personally, what? This is Wednesday. Okay, so not tomorrow, but next week. All right, so what I can see here is this. Yes, we do have the empty space here. Clear move down, no consolidation. Alright, so 1 second here. My bad, I'm typing to the Discord. So yes, we still have empty space right above us, right? Honestly, it still looks good. I do want to see if we can get that probably for next week. That doesn't look too bad there. Alright, cool. So yeah, that is on DKNG. Also, Starbucks. Let's take a look here. HWH. Dude, that's a familiar name. That HWH is a familiar name for sure. Wait, hold on. HWH, is this what I think it is? Hold on, give me a second. No, I'm thinking about something totally different. Never mind. I was like, HWH sounds very, very, very familiar. But anyways, we'll take a look here. So yeah, we did Starbucks, or we are about to do Starbucks. Right now, yes, we do have what? Empty space, which is currently below us. So yes, we could tap it there. What I was personally waiting for here is this. So yes, what do we have? Clear move down, no consolidation. I've been waiting on this move for quite a while. I know we go over this probably like every day, but we will until we get that entry, or at least until I can. You can easily see, yes, we do have this beautiful top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside. So it looks absolutely really good. So yeah, not too bad there. Hold on one second here. QQQ. Not really doing anything there. Let me look at SPY too. SPY. ABATO, Jessica, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Alright, yeah, no worries. ABAT, HWH. Alright, so as you can see here, alright, so yeah, I can clearly see, yes, we do have the empty space above us. We had, what, a nice... Yeah, those are some crazy candles for sure. This is, I get, yes, honestly, I would have to do my own research on this. I would have to look further into it, but chart-wise, what I can see is, so yes, I do see that empty space to the upside. That's really good. Personally, yes. What is this? So yeah, these charts are pretty weird. So yeah, there is a little bit of trouble there. Personally, if I was going to take this, yeah, we do have what, nice top all there, bottom all there. We do have an area that needs to be broken. We can break above here. Person would see up to that, what, 49 area. But yeah, this is, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research. Not even ready yet, but definitely would have that trim there if we end up getting that as well. Yeah, I could definitely see we did end up having a nice little move there, or really decent move there today. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, so we'll keep on going. 1 second here. So Google, did we do Google? I don't know if we did. Let's see. So for Google, what I see here, and we pretty much are into this empty space. So yes, this was a trade that, shout out to Rug Reality, he ended up calling us out. We did have a nice top wall here, nice bottom wall there. We ended up breaking above our wall, touching that imbalance here. As you can see, yes, could we continue? Absolutely. But what I can see here, 1 second here, 1 second here. All right, so 1 second, 1 second. So hold on. On the 24-hour chart, though, what I can see here is this. Let's take a look. So it looks like, and it still doesn't look terrible. So yes, what is this? Looks like we have empty space up to here. So this is the empty space that I'm referring to. I get this is not the, the best top wall here. On the 24 hour, it doesn't look too bad. There's just not enough structure. So this is a little sketch box from what I can see, since it's not really points of contact. But if we do continue, we still have that empty space up to where that 201. So it actually doesn't look too terrible. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. Obviously, I'm not in this trade, so not telling anyone to do anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. All right, so as of right now, so that's on what Google. So Google actually doesn't look too bad there. We'll have to see. And yeah, you can see pretty much what we did today. Had a couple good day trades. You can see befores, the afters, QBT as well. So Quantum. You can see what one member did there. So yeah, it worked out great. You can see ended up doing pretty well. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. You can see also the other members. That was just what from today. But yeah, you can see also the other days what we do. And yeah, there's only one play that didn't work out. Obviously, when the plays work, that's what we have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, we wait for quality setups. And once we wait for our quality setups, you can see also the other members. Shout out Fabi as well. And she did great today too. So that was wild. She didn't even post her games. She'll probably post them later. But yeah, she did crazy today. It was wild. So yeah, shout out to the members as well. And yes, if you want to join, you can join the free chat or the VIP. If you don't want to join, you don't have to. How is SMCI and AMD? Let me see. SMCI, AMD. Are you swinging anything tonight? So I do see a couple of them. I feel like there are a few that I'm mainly excited for that are, still a consolidation. But yeah, I do see a few of them. All right, so we'll have to see how everything plays out too as well. And yes, hold on, give me a second, guys. Gonna give me some more water. I'm literally out. So sorry, I did not mean to do that. But yeah, anyways, yeah, let me get some more water. I'll be right back. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. You don't have to. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. 1 second here, guys. 1 second. Yo, what's up, guys and gals? Really appreciate it. Yo, Kale, what's up? Honestly, I see a couple. I see a few. I think what? We'll take a look here. Hold on, give me a second here. So CRWV. I think what? MSFT looked pretty good. I'm not sure if it's ready or not. So yeah, I was looking at MSFT. We did have, some empty space below us. It's on a 2-hour chart too as well. We are still inside this consolidation, so there's obviously nothing for us to do yet. Do want to see if we can get that. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, there is that empty space. We do have that nice Potter box. We can somehow, some way, and I've seen it before, where Power Hour does look good, and it'll either dump or, obviously if you stay in the box, there's no entry. But yeah, there are a couple other ones as well. We'll just have to see. So yeah, if we don't get this one, no worries. There's always going to be a time where we can't get in that. So yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Amelia, yeah, honestly, it looks decent. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into this trade. I'm not into this trade. I'm not into any of these trades. So yeah, I'm just going over the charts. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course, too, as well. All right, so SPY. Honestly, that looks really messy there. 2 hour. So yeah, no entry on that yet. So, but we do have that empty space to this downside, which doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. And yes, all of our plays, I don't rush into anything. You can see when we call out trades and whether they hit, cool. If they don't, that's perfectly fine. So, and you can see why we wait for trades, when they work out, why they work out. You can see all the other members, the games page too as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're in the box, no trade. Obviously, we know about the early entries, of course, and I still use those sometimes. But yeah, once we break outside those walls and we can hold, that's when I personally take a trade for me. You can see how we pretty much call out setups, and yeah, either they work or they don't. So we'll take a look here. So what? PYPL and also SOFI. Okay, cool, no worries. SOFI. Let's see here. So, hold on, let's take a look. Oh wait, that is not SOFI. That's S. Oh, I can't even type right now. All right, so we'll go over PayPal first, and then we'll go over SOFI. Honestly, those puts would have been crazy though. And what I'm seeing here, so PayPal. Well, let's turn this music back on. Sorry. So yeah, 24-hour chart. What looked good? We did have, or we still have this empty space. So personally, I still like this as a regular entry if we can get it. So what is this? Clear move down, no consolidation. Beautiful top wall here. Nice bottom wall there. Obviously sellers took control. They didn't want to. So yeah, sellers ended up driving price down. Yeah, it was crazy rejection there. As you can see, what I circled here, we did have also this empty space. So if we did drop, which we did drop, I did see it down to that, what, 74.06 area. And yeah, we did that as well. But honestly, yeah, I still like that upside though. So if we can get it, that still looks good. But right now, there's just nothing for me to do. I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait. Is it a buy? So yeah, I'm not doing anything on it. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yo, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Shout out to Hunter, I think that's your name. How's the 1 hour? So yeah, 1 hour chart. Let's take a look here. Let's see. All right, okay, I can see what you're saying. Cool, facts, right? Cool, man. All right, so right here, yes. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We do have now empty space. So clear move down, no consolidation. And personally, we do have a bottom wall. Could this be a top? It definitely could. But personally, I do want to let it build a little bit more structure. So maybe if we can get a nice bottom wall, a nice top wall, build a little bit more structure for me so I can have a little bit more points of contact. I would love to see if we can get this upside. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna wait. Definitely 30-minute chart. Could there be something? Oh yeah, 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute looks good. So I would want to wait for that 1 hour. I think we're going to build some structure on that 1 hour though before we get this takeoff. But we somehow, some way, can break above our top wall here. We do have empty space up to this green candle, which looks good. So yes, you can see from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we like. So where are we? We're still in consolidation regardless. So I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait. So it actually doesn't look too bad though. Hold on one second here. Hold on one second here. Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Dude, yeah, it was a pretty nice day, pretty nice. RXT. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. Honestly, you know, PayPal did look really good, though. It still does if we can end up getting that. Apple. And yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. So for what? SOFI. So yeah, we did have Envy Space below us. Would have been a beautiful hedge for sure. Obviously, I told the members I still want to play this as a regular entry. So once it's ready to come back down, we do have what? Beautiful bottom wall here. We could somehow break under there. We do have Envy Space down there, so it looks really good. Yeah, not bad, not bad. But yeah, those calls went crazy though. All right, so what? AAPL. Let's take a look here. Hold on. RKT? Oh, I am. My bad, RKT. Okay, cool. I was like, wait, hold on. I have a question. Dude, yeah, what's up, man? Good to see you. Let's see, 4-hour charts. All right, so for Apple. Oh, wait. Earnings is on. Okay. So, personally, for for me to have that regular entry, what I can see here is this. So, hold on one second here. All right, so hold on one second here. Reading all the chats. All right, let's get this off the screen. Opinion on. All right, so one second. All right, so yeah, I'm locking. Just reading out the other chats. All right, so yes, what am I seeing here? Clear move up, no consolidation there, and of course, what do we have under us? Absolutely, we do have what? Beautiful top wall there, beautiful bottom wall here, and right under us, you could easily see. So yes, what? 2 body candles closing directly the same price. If we end up breaking below that wall here, and personally, this is what I'm waiting for. Doesn't look bad all the way down to this red candle there. So it actually looks really good. Do want to see, so yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So right now, am I going to do anything? No, absolutely not. I'm not getting into any of these trades. I'm only going to wait. So yes, we wait for our setups here. Right now, we're in consolidation. Honestly, I wanted this, last week, I believe? But we couldn't end up getting that. So yes, I'm just going to wait, see if we can get a decent setup there. All right, so NVDA, okay, I will take a look there. I did iron. Dude, fire, yeah, keep up great work, man. Hopefully it works out for you. Let's see here. On Meta, okay, yeah, we'll take a look at Meta. No worries. Yo, Danny, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Honestly, I haven't even looked at any of those plays, so yeah, we'll take a look. But yes, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. If you do plan on joining our Discord, whether it's the free chat or the VIP, just make sure to do your own research, of course. You can see how we call out setups. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. Yo, Leah, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. All right, so where were we at? So what? Apple. Yeah, we were waiting on that. RKT. So hopefully I got it right this time. Let's take a look here. Yo, Amelia, thanks for liking the live stream. Let's go to this possible. Ooh, that 4 hour looks really good. Hold on, give me a second. Honestly, hopefully we close like this. Hopefully we close like this so we can make a box like this. Doesn't look too bad. As you can see here, right under us, we do have this empty space. So yes, I'm looking for a nice candle body closure underneath this wall here. If we can break under this wall, we do have empty space down to this red candle there, which looks good. So yes, what is this? Clear move up, no consolidation. Nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. End up breaking below this wall. We have that empty space there. Obviously, and hopefully we close like this so this can be a top wall, so that can be points of contact. And then the next candle, we break above. Oh yeah, for sure. There is empty space here. I do like that downside though, so you know it doesn't look too bad. And no, not selling any of you guys and gals to do anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. All right, so that's there. Also, let's take a look. Hold on. I want to look at some more trades. So after close, we have what? Starbucks, V, Mara, EA. In the morning, I don't really like those. Actually, S-Bucks looks really good. Hold on, give me a second here. Starbucks, I want to take a look at what? V, we'll take a look there. I'll take a look at, hold on, that's not the right channel. EA and Mara, okay. Mara, hold on one second here. ETSY, okay. ETSY, alright, cool. So for Starbucks, I think, you know, it doesn't look too bad. Hold on, give me a second here. So now that I'm looking at it, I will be completely honest here. So Starbucks, we do have empty space below us. Clear move up, no consolidation. If we end up dropping below, I can see it's going down to that, what, 88.16. Honestly, though, if, you know, Starbucks does want to go up to this upside, we do have this clear move up to this, that we could end up going up there. You know, I've been waiting on this move. Obviously, yeah, there's empty space on both sides, so no, not telling anyone to get into anything, so please, do your own research, of course. But yeah, you know, that's what I'm seeing there. Also, we'll take a look here. Yo, Diners, what's up? Is it possible, boss, for Mara and Riot set up in VIP Discord? So yeah, I'll post Riot and Riot and Mara. All right, cool. And the VIP, okay, cool. All right, hold on. We'll keep on going though. I do want to look at a couple other trades. ETSY. Looks like that empty space hit too as well. Let's see. I said bear flag on AMD. Yo, no worries, man. When are you having a code for VIP again? I might be doing a code today. We'll have to see how everything plays out. We had like a really good day too as well, so I'm not really worried about it for sure. So yeah, I might post a discount code today. I haven't done it in a while, so it's been about like a month or so like that. I'm not even sure. I haven't even kept up with it. All right, so ETSY. We had a couple other trades. Yo, Panda, what's up, man? All right, so as you can see here, let's take a look. And let's see. Do we have empty space above us? We still do. Honestly, the upside doesn't look too bad, though. I don't think we're going to get all the way up there, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, there are a few setups, there are a few trades that honestly don't look too bad. So what I can see is, honestly, that doesn't look too bad though. So a lot of these trades actually look really, really good. So we'll have to see how everything plays out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, all these plays are going to be exactly the same. Honestly, I do like Starbucks. Maybe might end up hedging it. We'll see though. I gotta look at the contracts and that sort. But yeah, not selling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. And yes, I have to get off now. Do have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you do want to join, you can join the free chat or also the VIP chat as well. Everything will be in the link in the bio. And what? Okay, yeah, I'll go over RSL. I got you. So yeah, last one, and then I will be in the Discord. Oh, actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, there is empty space here. So what? Top all there. Actually, decent bottom all there. Yeah, we break under there. We could have decent move here. Break under. Looks really good. But yeah, right now we're still in the box. So do want to see if we end up getting that. Doesn't look too bad. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Really appreciate it. Hope you all have a blessed day. I'll see you either in the Discord or in my live stream in the morning. Have a blessed one, guys. Jesus.